making a peanut butter Cheerio bar type cookie or breakfast bar if you want to. It might not be breakfast so much because it has sugar in it, but you could eat it for breakfast. So we're going to make like a Cheerios snack bar type thing. Alright, so for this we're going to be needing an 8x8 pan, either parchment paper or some foil. You're going to be needing any kind of Cheerio of your choice, some peanut butter and honey. And you're going to need a half a cup, a 1/4 cup, and a cup, and a saucepan, and some peanut butter and honey. So that's honey, your Cheerios, peanut butter, a saucepan, an 8x8 pan, a piece of foil, a 1/4 cup, a half a cup, and a cup. Those are not the measurements. I'll tell you those when we get to that. And a stove, because we're going to cook this on top. Okay, so let's start making our Cheerio bars. Stick your foil or your parchment paper into your 8x8 pan like this. So the next step is you're going to take your 1/4 of your measuring cup, and you're going to be putting 3 scoops of your 1/4 into your saucepan. So that's 3/4 on your basically what 3/4 is 3 of the 1/4 measuring cup. And then the next step is you're going to be putting a half a cup of honey into your saucepan here. We're sticking our half a cup of honey into our saucepan here. I'm going to take this over to the stove, and you are going to cook this over medium heat until well combined. So I'll show you what that looks like after when it's well combined and after off the stove. So I'll be right back. Meanwhile, while your peanut butter is melting, put 3 cups of your Cheerios of your choice into a bowl. This is what our melted peanut butter and honey looks like. So now we are just going to pour this into our Cheerio mixture here. And then you're just going to mix this up, and I'll show you what that looks like. So now that you got it mixed, we're now going to be sticking this into our foiled pan here. Now that you've got this in your pan, you're going to evenly push it down. And now we're going to cover this, and you're going to refrigerate this for 1 hour before you can cut it up and eat it. So we'll see what this looks like in an hour. This is what it looks like after the hour, and now you will cut it up and eat it. And I hope you like it, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.